could you explain what final URL expansion is and what people need to be mindful of there in relation to landing pages?
Yeah, absolutely. So when you set up a PMax asset group, you basically get the option to drive traffic to a particular landing page. So if you are showcasing products in the Merchant Center, the traffic will still go to those individual products. But if it's a more generic ad, maybe it's an ad in the Gmail space or Discovery, and there isn't a particular product attached to it, the traffic will go to the final URL, just maybe like a normal kind of search ad would. So within PMax now, a bit like what they did within DSA, that gives it the ability to scan the whole site. You can tick the option to, basically it's called final URL expansion. It gives Google the possibility to send traffic to other pages rather than just the one that you've asked it to go to. It can be great at kind of pushing traffic to a page where or Google knows that the search query is more relevant, but doesn't necessarily give you the control to understand what pages you want it or don't want it to go to. So they have introduced two features that I definitely recommend people use. The first is page feeds. So you're kind of giving Google a guide of what sort of pages you want people to go to. So there you could put in maybe 5 versions of your landing page if it's a B2B business. If it's an e-com business, maybe you can put in all of your lister pages or category pages. But you can also then, there's something called URL exclusions where you can go in and say, absolutely don't send it to maybe the FAQ page, the My Account page, the returns page, all that kind of stuff. Same thing as a DSA really, but they're really important, and that's often a missed step as well for a lot of advertisers that don't realize that actually you can control where you don't want to send the traffic to as well, which is equally as important, because there's a lot of landing pages or website pages that are built with customers in mind rather than potential customers, and I think for a lot of businesses they just forget about that really. So yeah, it's really important that you're not sending traffic to those pages.
Thanks for watching this clip from the Paid Media Lab. If you found it useful, you can get the full-length episode on the Lunio YouTube channel, where you can also subscribe to catch all our latest releases. And if you want free tools, reports, and guides to help you uplift the efficiency of your PPC campaigns, head to lunio.ai and click on the Resources tab in the nav bar. See you in the next one.